Hello and welcome to all of you. Myself Namrata Satpute from Soulscraft. Today I am going to do a pick a card reading on Buddha Purnima day. So in this I put 3 piles. In this today we are going to see you are in which energy, on what energy you have to focus on, and to become that energy, what is the challenge which you have to get rid out of it, and for that what is the affirmation, and one guidance from Keepers of the Light Oracle deck. So here are your 3 piles. Pile number 1 is white flower, pile number 2 is red rose, and pile number 3 is yellow marigold. Choose your pile by connecting to your inner self. Take a deep breath and connect to yourself and see which pile is calling out for you. Or maybe you get attracted towards any one particular flower, any particular color. That will be message for you today on this Buddha Purnima day. May Lord Buddha shower his blessings on all of us. So if you choose your pile, let's get started. Here is reading for pile number 1. Let me take camera a little bit here. Yeah. So this is what your energy is right now. It's third chakra and Archangel Chamuel. So you guys energy wise are very enthusiastic, very passionate, workaholic, logistic, and because Archangel Chamuel is with you, you are definitely very focused personality. You are into communication, I feel, or you are into such position where a lot of power is required, and with this yellow or golden color it looks like you are in some authority figure, okay, and somewhere you are having that sun kind of energy which initially is very good, very nurturing, but when sun reaches at the top, so that anger issue maybe you are having, so we cannot bear that much heat, right? So somewhere I guess you are struggling with this issue right now. So this is what your energy looks like at present. In a way it is good that we have to be workaholic in this situation what we are going through right now all over the world, but yes, to be excessive in anything leads us nowhere. Okay, so let's see on which energy you have to focus upon. So yes, you have to focus upon the thinking man. Now with this card, I feel that this person is very well balanced. Before taking any action, he think twice or thrice or 10 times. He is taking help maybe from crystals. Okay, he still is having feather on his cap, means he is still passionate, he is still very focused, he is still very dedicated, but now before taking any action he think first, he becomes mature, okay, and he is ready to take other people help. Means it's not only that you have to take, like if I see crystals over here, so that doesn't mean we have to take crystals help only. If you're guided to, please go ahead, proceed further, but in case if you are able to take someone's help, maybe your friend's help, maybe any kind of guidance, if you want to take, you can take, because that will lead to take you the action in a thoughtful manner. Moreover, this person is focused on whatever he believes in, means wherever he put on his focus, he put on his energy, he put on his attention, and that becomes, he is having that ability to manifest it, to create it properly without wasting loads of action. So he is using his head and heart both. So you have to come into this energy, and you will come into this energy. And to become this energy, what you have to get rid of? What is the challenge to become this energy? Let's see. So this is what comes in challenge card. Like, sorry, it's little blurred. Yeah. So challenge is judgment leads to embarrassment. See, if you are going to judge yourself, if you are going to judge anyone else, it definitely leads to embarrassment. Always remember, whenever you are judging yourself or others, you are losing money. Yes, really. And when other people are judging you, then you are gaining money. So with this perspective, please get rid of this judgment. Okay, once you get rid of this judgment, you are able to become the energy of a thinking man. And for that, the affirmation is, I affirm to be a phoenix. When you affirm to be a phoenix, you will take thoughtful action. You will get rid of the judgment zone, which is a challenging part. You will get out of workaholic mode, and before taking any action, you will take some time, some pause. And with the keepers of the oracle card, this comes as higher learning. You have learned from experience. More inner study is now required to further progress. So much sync with all these cards, isn't it? See? So before taking anything further, isn't it that you have to think before taking any action? Isn't it that you have to think, and for that higher learning came? So you have to go deep within yourself. You have to take out some time, maybe for meditation, maybe some introspection is what required. Maybe if you are interested in enrolling yourself for some self growth or self study program, please proceed further, because that will lead to you to become this energy, and you are able to get out of this challenging zone. Okay, so I hope you resonate with this reading. Thank you so very much, group number 1. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care. Hello, group 2. For all those who choose this red color flower, your first card is this. This is first chakra, Archangel Michael. So I feel at present energetically you are into this energy. That means quite possibility that your root chakra is imbalanced. You may be having some issues, aches or pains related to your lower body. There may be the chances that you feel unstable, or maybe you are focused only in materialistic life. Please ask Archangel Michael to remove all those stagnant energies. Cut the cords. Okay, this is what comes to me. Also, Archangel Michael is with you, so he is there to help you and protect you. So because you are into this energy, what you have to do, on what kind of energy you have to focus on, let's see. So here came as adjacent possibilities. So see, quite possible that you are focused only on one thing, like only with this one source of income, or with this only one possibility I am able to earn money. And as whatever the situation is going on nowadays, so maybe that get sheds off and you may feel depressed, but you have to look forward for the other possibilities as well. Okay, see, there are so many doors and windows are open, but for me it seems like laptop because all things now become online. Quite possible that you are called out to look some other possibilities, also to look for something which goes online. So you have to come into this energy, come out of this depression zone or mode, and look the possibilities within yourself, within your surrounding. There are lots of possibilities, just you have to shift your focus. Now what is the challenge which is not allowing you to come into this energy? Respect and do not judge. Now see, This lady is respecting him who is going further. So whenever you encounter with something with which you are not okay with, or maybe your recent job gets shut, you just have to bless this mess. Do not judge. If you will start judging, you will put more pile of judgment into it. So just respect it, whatever it have to teach you. It taught you that lesson, and now you just have to respect and let it go and see for some other possibilities. Okay? And for this, what you have to affirm. Okay, so I affirm to accept life in supreme majesty. So changes are there on the cards. Just flow like a water. Once you accept that there are lots of other possibilities are there on your cards, please flow like water. So you will not feel stagnant and able to grasp these opportunities. And for this, phases and cycles. There is a beginning within every ending. Illusions are revealed and released. Wow. See, with this full moon, something like this, right? I feel that lots of endings are coming on your way, because of which you may feel scattered and shattered. But no need to worry, because every ends starts something new. Every ending has some new beginning. So focus on your new beginning, because once you start focusing on new beginnings, there are a lot more possibilities is there on your way. Thank you so very much, Group 2. Bye-bye. Take care. Hello, Group 3. Here is your reading. So at present, you are in this energy, which is called victory. Wow, this card itself is giving so much golden energy, sun energy. So you already conquered so many things in your life, but still you feel there is something which is missing. Energy wise, you feel that there is something which still you didn't achieved. Okay, so let's see on what energy you have to focus on, what kind of energy you will become. Here comes all tied up. Though here it seems that this lady is tied up with something, but I feel you already achieved many things. You already achieved many things in your life, but as something, that some kind of portion which is missing, that is connecting to your spiritual self. And with this card, I feel connect with the nature element, water element, maybe fairies. So go in the nature, maybe in your corridor or balcony, and just try to connect with sky, with land, with trees, with birds, and you will feel so calm and so composed, and you feel completed. You feel that something which is lacking in your life, you are becoming that energy which is very peaceful, very calm. Okay, so for this, to become this energy, the challenge which is not allowing you to become this energy is this: assumptions impaired. You already achieved so many things, but you feel that whatever I achieved, those are just assumptions, means those are actually not the reality. Then what is the reality? And you are looking for it, and as you are not aware what to do and how to do, so you feel maybe little stagnant kind of thing. So that's why this card came, to come and connect with this energy, because anyway you are going to become this energy. And to become this energy, the affirmation is, I affirm to attract breakthroughs. Now in your case, as this card is so positive, victory is already written, so you already tasted that victory kind of thing. Now what is required, that you need to focus on, that is peace, calmness from within. Connect with your spiritual team, and for that you have to affirm to attract breakthroughs, because once you get connected, then when you go into the world, you will become more empowered, and able to attract victory in a much grand level. Okay, and from Keepers of the Light, it came, this card says charity, prayer, and contemplation. See, connect with heaven, ask, and you shall receive. Isn't it you feel so that you already achieved many things in life, and to connect with the spiritual world you have to ask them, and once you ask you receive, and for that you have to connect with heaven. So heaven is within us. What kind of heaven you want to create, that is within us. I feel connect with nature gives you that feeling of connection to your spirituality. Thank you so very much. Bye bye, take care.